1980 Oldsmobile Toronado here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold as well as the heat working. Now I'll kind of point out there are some imperfections walking around the exterior of this car. Interior, very nice, but I'm going to point them out as we go. As you can see, filler panels up front. Maybe a little ding here or there. There's clear coat on the hood, but some of the other areas it's kind of a flat gray, as you can see on that front face above the grille. Take a look at the chrome, bright work, headlight surrounds. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, you can take a look at this car, underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Again, filler panel here. It's one of those cars, drive it the way it is. Want to take it to the next level, give it a little bit of TLC. As you can see, the Oldsmobile wire wheel covers. Newer Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires on it. I think they were 3-4 years old according to the date codes. And let's take a look down this passenger side. And again, there's maybe a little ding here or there. But overall, you can see the car is solid. It's not a bunch of corrosion, rust coming through in the lower rockers. Paint just shows its age a little bit. Is the kind of the flat paint in the top also. I guess lacking the clear as well as on that deck lid or trunk. Filler panels on the rear obviously have deteriorated also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does come with a car cover. Have it in the bag there, and then there are some extra floor mats that will come with it, the one pieces that go across the front. And once again, you'll be able to see those in the still pictures too, UniqueClassicCars.com. Now, if you're into these 80s vehicles, which seem to be becoming more and more popular, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. And again, you can see this driver's side and around the wheel wells, lower rockers, not full of corrosion. It's just paint shows its age some. Now, interior is kind of a different story. Let's take a look at this interior. Look at the door panels. Really not much for wear on the armrests. Of course, we do have power seats. Both sides, the Oldsmobile Toronado would have been a nicely equipped and loaded up car back in the day. And then take a look at the seating surface area. The cloth it's not ripped, torn, full of holes, and it does have that pillow top cushion to it, which of course is very comfy. I want to show you something too. Let me step back. So there's the real color of that interior. Sometimes the blues, maroons, certain colors, when I get right up on top of them, it washes out. But as you can see, that's a nice blue. It's not washed out, but if I get right up on top of it, it will start to wash it out some. Tilt column, AM, FM 8-track. Getting towards the latter years of the 8-tracks. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, as well as the heat blowing warm. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It's a nice running car too, always fires off. Every time I've hit the switch, cannot confirm or deny the miles at 45,000, just due to the fact that once a vehicle is a certain age, it's not kept in the title anymore. It gets marked exempt. But with this interior, I guess it wouldn't surprise me. Look at the top of this dash. It's like brand new. Clock is also working. See the second dial going around there. So interior, pretty nice shape. How about as far as the headliner? Headliner, good shape. Door closes nicely. The tech did mention this power window. It will go down a part of the way. but not all the way. So just want to mention that, consigner the car, said announce it, reflect it in the price. There you get an idea how it sounds, nothing crazy. Over the top exhaust wise, just sounds like you'd expect an 80 Olds Toronado to sound. All right, let me pause this a second. I'm gonna have to get in there, pop the hood. Get the hood open, we'll check out this engine bay. And remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're gonna see how this car drives out. Jason's gonna take it for a spin. All right, underside of the hood. An idea what the hood liner looks like. Hood light working also. There it is. You consider it a 5.7 liter Oldsmobile. And once again, power steering, power brakes, AC. I do want to mention that this does have new rear wheel cylinders, as well as new hood and trunk struts. So you're aware of that. 1980 Oldsmobile Toronado. Check out the pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Call us 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1980 Oldsmobile Toronado. This car is a two-door with an amazing interior. You really have to see this interior to believe it. The condition is so good. We've got pillow top, split bench up front, with cloth on the top so you're not going to stick to the seat. Very nice. In fact, your radio works well. AC is blowing cold right now. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy for anybody to drive. Multi-position power seats for the driver and the passenger. Tilt it. Any position, basically. Very comfortable. Nice, quiet running car. Our temperature gauge is reading about 190, which is where you like it. Rubber floor mats protecting that very nice carpet underneath. Our wipers work on this car as well. Power brakes working very well, nice and smooth. No pull to either side, nice and straight. This car corners as it should. Even for an 80, it doesn't lean too much in the corners. It grips nicely. Kick down on that automatic transmission, working very well when you put your foot down. Great cruiser, nice and quiet. Feels like a very low mile car. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Toronado at uniqueclassiccars.com.